Your smartwatch might soon detect potential heart issues before they happen, and your glasses could enable seamless real-time translations. These aren't just futuristic ideas. They're AI-powered innovations set to revolutionize wearable technology in 2025. With the wearable tech industry projected to exceed $150 billion by 2029, the race to develop smarter, more intuitive devices is fundamentally reshaping the way we live, work, and communicate. In this video, we're diving into 10 groundbreaking AI wearables that you'll want to keep an eye on next year. But there's more. Stick around to discover not just their features, but also how they could transform your daily life in ways you never imagined. Let's jump in. Tech giants Apple and Samsung are leading the charge in wearable advancements. The upcoming Apple Watch Series 11 is rumored to introduce non-invasive blood glucose monitoring, an innovation that could be a game-changer for people managing diabetes. Even for non-diabetics, this feature could provide insights into how diet, exercise, and stress impact glucose levels, contributing to better overall metabolic health. While Apple hasn't officially confirmed this feature, the company's research and patents suggest it's actively pursuing this breakthrough. Even without it, users can expect improved sensors, AI-driven health analytics, and upgrades to existing features like heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, expected in 2025, is also rumored to integrate blood glucose tracking. But what could set it apart is a fresh square design, deviating from Samsung's traditional circular shape to enhance screen usability. Samsung has long been at the forefront of fitness and health tracking, and its AI-powered coaching tools are likely to see further refinements. Users can anticipate more precise sleep and stress monitoring, along with greater compatibility with third-party health applications. Both watches highlight the rapid advancements in wearable healthcare technology, making wellness monitoring more accessible and proactive. AI-powered hearing aids are redefining how people experience sound. These devices do more than just amplify audio. They use artificial intelligence to adapt dynamically to various environments, minimizing background noise while enhancing speech clarity. Advanced models, like those from Phonak and Oticon, utilize real-time AI processing to differentiate between voices and ambient sounds, creating a more natural listening experience. Some models are even incorporating real-time translation, making them valuable tools for multilingual communication. Their discrete designs allow them to seamlessly integrate into daily life, benefiting both individuals with hearing impairments and professionals in noisy environments, such as conferences or social gatherings. Imagine workout gear that actively enhances your training. AI-powered clothing, such as Wearable X's Naughty X yoga pants and Sensoria's smart running socks, use embedded sensors to monitor muscle engagement, posture, and heart rate. Unlike traditional fitness trackers, these garments provide real-time feedback via companion apps, helping users refine their form, prevent injuries, and optimize performance. Designed to feel like regular activewear, these garments are both washable and lightweight. By 2025, this technology is expected to expand into more fitness areas, making precision tracking accessible beyond elite athletes. Quality sleep is crucial, and AI-powered sleep bands are taking sleep monitoring to the next level. Devices like the Dream Band 3 use EEG sensors to analyze brain activity, providing deep insights into sleep cycles. These wearables don't just track sleep stages, they offer personalized recommendations to enhance sleep quality, such as adjusting bedtime routines or dietary habits. Future models could integrate with smart home systems, automatically dimming lights or modifying room temperature for an optimized sleep environment. For those struggling with insomnia or irregular sleep patterns, these bands promise a more holistic approach to well-being. Ultra-thin, AI-driven skin patches are emerging as powerful tools for real-time health tracking. Companies like MC10 and BioIntelliSense are developing patches that monitor hydration, stress levels, and vital signs like heart rate and temperature. Unlike bulky medical devices, these patches provide discrete, continuous monitoring, making them ideal for managing chronic conditions such as diabetes or cardiovascular issues. By 2025, expect to see patches equipped with advanced AI algorithms capable of predicting dehydration and detecting early signs of illness, proving invaluable across healthcare, sports, and general wellness applications. Augmented reality, AR, smart glasses are set to redefine how we interact with the digital world. Companies like Meta, Ray-Ban, Brilliant Labs, and Solos are leading the charge. Ray-Ban's collaboration with Meta has already resulted in stylish smart glasses, and the 2025 version is expected to feature AI-powered assistants and built-in cameras for real-time information overlays. Meta's Orion AR glasses aim to push AR to new levels, integrating holographic displays and AI-driven insights for applications such as navigation, real-time data visualization, and live translations. Meanwhile, Brilliant Labs' open-source smart glasses offer customizable features for developers, and Solo's Ergo 3 glasses prioritize accessibility with real-time translation and health tracking. Despite battery life and privacy concerns, smart glasses are evolving into powerful tools that merge digital convenience with real-world utility. Wearable tech isn't just about productivity, it's also stepping into the realm of emotional wellness. The Friend AI pendant, for instance, functions as an AI-powered companion, engaging users in conversations and providing emotional support throughout the day. While this innovation has potential benefits for combating loneliness, it also raises questions about privacy and emotional dependency on machines. Used in moderation, such devices could offer valuable companionship, but striking a balance is key. Another fascinating development is the Humane AI pin, which reimagines how we interact with technology. Unlike traditional devices, this AI-powered pin operates without screens, using advanced ambient computing to respond intuitively to user needs. Whether you ask about your schedule or the weather, the pin provides immediate answers without requiring manual input. Its minimalist design makes it an appealing option for users seeking seamless, hands-free assistance. However, potential drawbacks include battery limitations and voice recognition challenges in noisy environments. AI is also transforming assistive technology. Phantom Neuro's AI-powered muscle implants allow amputees to control prosthetic limbs using neural signals, making movement more natural and intuitive. This breakthrough could significantly improve mobility and independence for people with disabilities. However, challenges such as high costs and extensive testing requirements remain. Despite these hurdles, these implants represent a revolutionary step toward more advanced prosthetic solutions. Smart rings such as the Muse Ring 1 are redefining wearable convenience. This sleek device combines health tracking with contactless payments, allowing users to monitor steps, heart rate, and sleep quality in an ultra-compact form. Its unobtrusive design makes it a compelling alternative to bulkier wearables. However, its small size means limited battery life and fewer features compared to smartwatches. Ideal for those prioritizing minimalism, the Smart Ring is a glimpse into the future of discrete, functional wearables. AI-powered wearables in 2025 are more than just convenience. They're transforming healthcare, productivity, and even emotional well-being. From improving fitness tracking to enabling real-time translations and enhancing prosthetics, these innovations offer incredible potential. However, challenges like privacy concerns, battery limitations, and affordability must be addressed before widespread adoption. Ultimately, AI wearables should complement human interaction and effort, not replace them. As technology advances, the key to success lies in balancing innovation with practicality and ethical considerations. Which of these AI wearables excites you the most? Are you eager to try them out, or do you have reservations? Let us know in the comments. And for more fascinating insights, check out the recommended video on your screen right now. Catch you in the next video.